All right, QQQ update. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do one stock at a time in the video so I can focus on it a little bit more. Videos will probably be 4 or 5 minutes long. Plus, it will separate them a little bit better. So, in the video earlier, I said this is a double three, and we're probably going to come down here to the low 360s. That's still possible, but we do look like we have a 5-wave move going on right here. And we are in demand zone still. That demand zone has been really strong. If I get rid of this demand zone right here, you can just see how strong this demand zone has been. So this is a daily demand zone from the 368 gap fill. Look at this demand zone, how strong it's been. We stayed in it the whole time, never broke below it, and then bounced out of it finally today. So that's the first thing to note about this move down. And then the second thing is we got a 5-wave move coming out of the bottom. So with a 5-wave move coming out of the bottom, I think this actually looks like it could have bottomed. There's actually two possibilities I see, even though it's impossible to predict, or it's not impossible, but it's kind of hard to predict corrective moves. But I think that if you look at this right here, this is ABC right here, and then we get ABC for the X wave. We came basically down here to the bottom. So this is probably actually the double three complete right here. So get a 5-wave move out of it. Does that mean that we're going to new highs straight away? It doesn't mean that, because there's still the possibility, and I still think there's a very good possibility we go down to lower lows. I'm going to give it 50-50, but this is still possible. So we still have this down here, 361. It's still possible that this ends up being we pull back for a B wave, and we get a C wave up here somewhere. Probably actually up here into this supply zone up here around 374. Going back from this gap fill right here, there is a supply zone right here. If this were to play out like that, then I would be looking at this zone right here. And then this would be ABC, zigzag. This would be a B wave, and then we would get a C wave down here. And then that would be the double three. So it'd be ABC, 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 and then maybe a 5-wave move down here to 361, 362. Otherwise, we bottomed. And if we bottomed, that means we are going to make new highs in the next month or two. So if we bottomed, we're looking at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be the first wave. Let's just say it's around 371.30. Pull back into demand again. Maybe 368. And after that, we'd be looking for something that's probably going to go a lot higher than this. I would probably look for something up around the 2.61 fib. Maybe even this, 3.61 fib, who knows? This could be the start of a 5-wave move, first wave too. So impossible to say, but I would say at least go up to 375. So basically, those are the two scenarios I see. I don't see us going straight down tomorrow, like I was talking about in the video earlier. This is probably going to be either an A wave or a first wave. So look for new highs. And if that was the bottom right there, I would be looking for about 419. So if that's the bottom, we're going to go all the way up to 419 for wave 5. So that is about a 12% gain, something like that. So we'll see. Are we going to get a 5-wave move up to 419? Or are we going to get an ABC move up here to like 374, 375, and then pull back more? Let's say we do go to 375, and we can just use this and see if that would take us down to the target. That would take us down to the target. So 361, 362. So you got to be careful here. I know it's tempting to go full bull, but it's not confirmed yet that we're going to go for a 5th wave higher. It's still possible that we get that. And that would complete the overall move. And actually, let's say it lasted all the way till the 29th. If that were the case, that would get outside the parallel line, and then it could start the move higher. So that's my thoughts on QQQ. 2 possibilities, either ABC to 375, or we're starting the next wave higher, which would be the 5th overall wave to 420. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more content. I'm going to do more individual stocks here in a second.